In December 1831, the British naval ship HMS set sail from England on a 5-year-long trip around the world. On the ship was a 22-year-old man named Charles Darwin. During this voyage, he studied plants and animals that he'd never seen before.
I wonder why they're so different from those in England.
And that helped him to develop one of the most important scientific theories of all time.
First stop, coast of South America.
Wow, there's groups of army ants and insects that look like flowers.
We also saw bones of sloths, but the weird thing, they were much larger than the sloths they had seen before.
They then wondered what happened to the giant beasts from the past.
Many of the birds on the islands resembled the ones on the mainland.
I'm a cormorant. I am both. I live on the mainland and the island. I can fly, unlike the ones of the kind on the island.
After going back to England, he met up with other scientists to study his questions for 20 years.
Perhaps the animals changed over time and adapted to their new conditions.
This is called evolution, and evolution occurs in natural selection.
Selection is when animals adapt to their environment. This makes it more likely to reproduce and survive.
Darwin then identified factors that affected the process of natural selection: overproduction, competition, and variation.
Reproduction is when there are so many offspring produced, there isn't enough resources.
Competition is when the animals compete, and to find food, they have to escape predators for as long as they can with little food so that they can reproduce.
Variations are the types of traits in offspring. Without variations, all members of species would have the same traits.
Also,